Hi everyone. Are you wondering how to lower cholesterol naturally, quickly, and effectively? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will be discussing all the different ways you can lower your cholesterol naturally, quickly, and effectively. From dietary changes to supplements and herbal remedies, I have all the tips and tricks you need to get your cholesterol levels in check. So without further ado, let's get started. What is cholesterol and why is it important? Cholesterol is a type of fat that is found in the bloodstream and is essential for the functioning of your body. It is used to produce hormones, build cell walls, and help digestion. Cholesterol is produced naturally by the liver and is also found in food. The ideal level of cholesterol should be between 200 mg/dl and 240 mg/dl. High cholesterol is when your levels are above 240 mg/dl, and this can be a risk factor for heart disease and stroke. It is important to keep your cholesterol in check to reduce your risk of these health issues. What causes high cholesterol? There are many factors that can cause high cholesterol levels. Some of the most common causes include poor diet with high amounts of saturated and trans fats, lack of exercise, smoking and alcohol consumption, certain medications, such as birth control pills or steroids, hereditary factors. It is important to identify the cause of your high cholesterol so you can take the necessary steps to lower it. How to identify if you have high cholesterol? The only way to know for sure if you have high cholesterol is to get a blood test done. Your doctor or healthcare provider can order a blood test to determine your cholesterol levels. It is important to get your cholesterol levels checked regularly, especially if you have a family history of high cholesterol or heart disease. Dietary changes to lower cholesterol naturally. Making some simple dietary changes can help you lower your cholesterol levels naturally. The best way to do this is to reduce the amount of saturated and trans fats you consume. Avoid butter, lard, and fatty meats, and reduce your consumption of processed foods. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, as well as whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Eating foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, can also help to lower cholesterol. Exercise to lower cholesterol naturally. Exercise is another great way to naturally lower your cholesterol levels. Regular physical activity can help to raise your HDL, good, cholesterol levels, while reducing your LDL, bad, cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise a day, such as walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Herbal remedies to lower cholesterol naturally. There are also some herbal remedies that can help to lower your cholesterol levels naturally. Garlic, ginger, and cinnamon are all known to be beneficial for cholesterol levels. You can add these herbs to your food or take them in supplement form. Green tea is also known to be beneficial, as it can help to reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Supplements to lower cholesterol naturally. There are also some supplements that can help to lower cholesterol levels naturally. Red yeast rice, plant sterols, and omega-3 fatty acids are all known to be beneficial for cholesterol levels. However, it is important to speak to your doctor or healthcare provider before taking any supplements, as some may interact with certain medications. Lifestyle changes to lower cholesterol naturally. Making some lifestyle changes can also help to lower cholesterol levels naturally. Quitting smoking, reducing alcohol consumption, and reducing stress levels are all beneficial for cholesterol levels. Getting enough sleep is also important, as lack of sleep can contribute to higher cholesterol levels. Natural remedies to lower cholesterol quickly. If you want to lower your cholesterol quickly, there are some natural remedies you can try. Apple cider vinegar is known to be beneficial for cholesterol levels, as is lemon juice. Drinking a glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon juice and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar can help to lower cholesterol levels quickly. Conclusion: lowering your cholesterol naturally and quickly is possible with the right diet, lifestyle, and supplement changes. Eating a healthy diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables, exercising regularly, and incorporating herbal remedies and supplements into your routine can all help to lower your cholesterol levels. It is important to speak to your doctor or healthcare provider before making any major changes to your routine.